Alright, so we're removing the engine out of this van. So the best way to remove it, because it's a Ford and they didn't really leave you any room, is to just slightly lift the cab up. I wouldn't suggest this if you're actually trying to keep the van. Are you ready to pick it, Danny? Are you ready to pick it?
Thumbs up, man.
What we're trying to do right now is just get the cab with the motor. Alright, so here's how you get into a position to take the motor out. See what we did there? Isn't that nice? Go ahead, up a little more, Dan. Now go ahead and set her back down. So we picked it up, snatched the motor. Unfortunately, it was only 2 of them. So, and then that's how you put her back down. See how it fits? Just like factory for a Ford. Alright. Time to take this bad boy to its resting spot. No. Does he have brakes? No brakes. Go ahead, buddy. You're moving off to the left, Riley. Keep it straight. You're good. Keep going. You're good.